Right guys, I just thought I'd show you my contraption that I built for cutting small sticks in the garden. As you can see, it's all these little branches. It's always a nuisance to cut. And what I've built here is a frame with a couple of rollers on it, and the branch just kind of slips on it, and that end piece there can slide in and out for longer or shorter branches. And then what I've done here is just drilled the hole in the saw a bit bigger, and that piece screws in and out, so you can take your saw out, and then all that does is just a little pivot motion and you just cut the sticks nice and handy. I'll show you guys a few here now. Okay, I'll start the saw. Obviously I should be wearing all the safety gear, but don't worry about that right now. So that is it. Nice, easy and simple. Tell me what you guys think about it, and any comments is very welcome, and I know I should be wearing safety gear.